YouTube, today is the first day that I'm using my new DJI cameras. Today is my first day. I am so excited. Hey, you have to look at me. If I put it down, yes, I am excited. I don't know how this thing works, so we are learning together. Let me first show you my outfit. Guys, we are going to make my lashes. We are going to the salon now. Look, my nail is broken. This is the new me. I'm going to go make my new nails. This is the new me vlogging. I'm going to vlog for you. I am going to show you everything. This camera is amazing. Oh, there's a way you turn it around. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around so I can show you my outfit. There. Wow, look at that. Okay, I'm going to wear heels. I'm not wearing that. No, I'm wearing heels on this, and I love this look. This is gonna be my first look for YouTube. Let's turn this thing around. Look at this. Oh, wait, did it stop? Oh, I have to do it the other way. Okay, we are all going to learn to use this camera together. Right now, I don't have a sound. Oh, it went too long. There we go. So, I am getting ready, and I am going to take you with me to my journey of making my nails, show you the bad Swedish weather. Let me get my coat. Let me get my coat. Let me get my coat. I don't know if oh, this coat is too heavy. Let me get that one. Wait. I forgot. You know, it came with its own thing. What? It came with its own microphone. Okay, let's go and get the microphone and I will show you the microphone. Oh my God, it's so nice. Like it follows you around everywhere. Where's that baggie? Okay, so I don't know how to connect the microphone, but we are going to do it though. I'm gonna show you the mic. I don't know if I put on the mic, it will connect automatically. Guys, like I said, this is a learning video. Here is the mic. Oh, so do I need to charge the microphone? Oh, do you think transmitter connected, put 60% battery remaining. Okay, so how do I charge this thing? Oh, you can charge it here. Oh, now there is a microphone. Wait. Before. Hey. You know what? Okay, here we go. So here we go. And there I am. I look good, guys. Do you hear me? Or is it too much? Like, does it have to be like on the side? Anyway, let's go. That is destroying my look. Let's go and we go for me making my nails. Bye. Come on. Okay, guys, on my way to go. Hey, wait. Guys, I'm still learning about this. I need something else to hold this thing. They said that wait, it's going to fall. It's too small. I need to hold it. Wait. Now, okay, now I got something. Anyway, we are on our way now to go and make my lashes. The vlogging journey of Karina Styler starts. Okay, I forgot my watch and my AirPods. That's the most important thing in my life. Look at this. Look at me. I had forgotten. This, hey, I was gonna go and cry. Okay, let me put it in here. I like going with big bags because sometimes, wait, come on, watch. I'm even late. Do you know I am always late for this nail appointment? But you know what? I'm going to make it. Come on! Why can't it go on? Anyway, when you're stressed out with some things. Okay, let's go. I am so happy to show you my day, my life. Why is this one down? Why? Anyway, let's go. Now we are going for real. My head, hey, it's cold. I can feel the cold all the way entering my brain. It's like, it's not that cold. It's like 20 degrees. No, not 20 degrees. Oh, hell no. It's like 13 degrees, I think. But 13 degrees, me being a Ugandan, it's very cold. So, guys, anyway, always in my car, I always have my heels. So that's what we are going to change to right now. See? We are going to change to my heels. Guys, it's cold. It has been in the car, so it's very cold. Hi, I'm gonna show you. Let's see. There you see? Ah, there you see? Ah! Guys, forgive me, but this camera, I'm just trying to figure it out, and we are going to figure it out together. And by the time I become very well at doing this, you guys are going to be shocked at me doing this. So anyway, I gotta drive and go. Right now, I'm not allowed to film and drive. So you're going to forgive me at this point. Mama gotta go. I'm going to vlog when I reach where I'm going. Capish? Understood? Thank you. Bye. Hi, my people. We have arrived. Why are you moving? Why are you moving? We are still learning how to use this DJI, but I think I am getting better. So, we have arrived where we are going at this point. You need to focus on me, darling. Eh? I thought you were supposed to focus on me. Why are you bending, eh? Hey! Okay. I think I should stop focusing on the camera and I just focus on. Oh, it's following my moves. So we are here, and at this point we have to first, normally we have to first pay for the parking. I'm gonna show you just around. There is where we pay for the parking, and look at this place. Isn't this amazing? So anyway, we have to make sure that we pay for the parking, because in Sweden, if you don't pay for the parking, thank God everything is in English. But anyway, we'll start. Here they give us like 2 hours for free, by the way. Yes, you're on me. Yes, you're on me. I see you. I'm learning this. So first, I have to pay for my parking before I take you. WRG. Jesus, I'm confused. Anyway, okay, I have already paid for my parking. I just need to wait to make sure. No receipt. Anyway, so I have 4 minutes to go to reach where I'm going. Like I told you, this lady, she already knows that Karina is always late. But anyway, never mind. We are going to be soon there. So now you see, like in Sweden, they have like places for kids, like they build outdoors. Like these ones are free. Hi, hello. Yeah. So here you see, it's free for children to play here. Like you can bring your kids at the park. Here, apartments still being built. So it's pretty nice, like a free place. Like here in the summer, people can come and just sit there. You're allowed to bring your kids to just jump around and whatever. And over there, it's like we are going to get walking street with all the shops. So normally, the way these people build their apartments, down there's always shops, up there's always apartments. I don't know why in Uganda, why we don't do it like that, because it would be so cool. Do you know, having a building and down you have like shops or restaurants, and up you have people living? You would really save a lot of land and a lot of living space for people. But hey, that's our country. Going back to me, eh? Let's put this back to myself. So you guys look at this beautiful face and oh, okay, I'm getting a wind of this really. It's being good. Oh, and let me tell you guys, it's cold. It's very cold. It's like everybody, this is the year where everyone is putting on, how do I say? Everybody is putting on darker clothes. Me putting on orange right now, I look weird. But I'm different. I'm African. Okay, let me turn the camera around so I show you places. There is one thing about Sweden, you people. They like to break out nice roads and build it again. Now I don't know what they're doing here. You see this? It's gonna take them many, many months to just finish here. They work so slow. I think maybe they're making a pipe system or something. So you remember I told you that there is a walking street here with shops. So here is like a Gina Tricot shop, clothing stores. But the thing is, I'm going to the salon so I can show you guys later. A Forex bureau, a walking street. This is a walking street. So all this down, you see guys, H&M is just right there. Let me see if I can zoom. Can I? No, I can't, but I'll take you there later. The main thing here is for me to reach the salon. And yeah, all these apartments up here, people are living up there. But you see, you have shops, you have espresso house. All these down parts are just shops, which is incredible. So you have to come back and see this beautiful face. Are you ready to see the beautiful face? This vlogs is going to be amazing. I am happy for this new camera. But let me tell you, the place is cold, the place is lonely. Let me show you the people. You see how people are dressed, first of all. People are dressed, all of them in dark colors. Look at that. Everybody is dressed in dark colors. Oh, I'm soon in my hotel. And these people do renovations all the time. Last time I was here, there was no renovations. But right now it looks like this because it's being renovated. So I think they like renovating in the cold. But damn, here is my salon. It has been my salon for the past 5 years. Oh, hi, hi. Okay, hello. Okay, guys, we are getting ready. Oh, I just have to do it like this. Oh, it's too dark, but see you later. I hope you're going to keep here to see what I'm gonna do for nails and lashes. Bye. Okay, guys, we are done. Hi, we are done, and guess what? It's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, and it's already dark. Look at you guys. Look at this. It's already dark in the streets. It's not even 7 p.m., okay? It's 5. It's already dark. Oh, but let me tell you, I was in there for 2 hours, and the shops are still open. The shops are still open. Guys, I'm going to go to, I think I'm going to take you to H&M. Let's just go and check in H&M. Let's just go and check something in there. Okay. We are still trying to play with this. It's actually good in the dark with this camera, with the lighting. It's not so bad. Ooh. Right now I feel like I want something hot, something, I don't know, something. Because it's so cold. I was supposed to go home and go live, and now I'm not even live on TikTok because I had to do my nails. Oh, guys, look, look. We are in Gina Tricot. Oh, look, it's 5. Actually, I'm gonna show you on my phone if you guys think that I'm lying. Let me go. Let me take my phone out. Let me show. No. Oh, here you are. This is not good that the things are falling off. Hi! My shoe got stuck. Okay, guys, let me show you. See? It's 5 o'clock. Look at all those clothing. Oh, this is nice. This is one store called Gina Tricot. Let's just go in here. Look at that. That looks amazing. It's warm in here. Okay, let's go to H&M. I love H&M. There's also like H&M Home. There's also like, look at that. I like to come here and look once in a while. But anyway, the reason why I'm coming to H&M is because I want to show you guys my outfit. This looks good. Let's go show you. It has good lighting, so you're going to see my nails. And in this country, look at me. Oh, why? Look at me, guys. Look at this. Don't I look good? I look amazing. Yeah, you remember those heels that I told you about? Here they are. Okay, let's show you how my lashes have been going. I feel I am freezing, you guys. It's not even a joke. I am freezing. Cause it didn't turn out bad. Turned out really good. Oh, anyway, I just came here to show you my outfit. So now I am going to go home. Going to show the girls my look. Please remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be vlogging every day, and yeah, I'll be giving you everything you need. We are going to do a lot of things in this vlog of ours. We're gonna do so much. I don't know why this thing is not stable. Please be stable on me. Thank you. So remember to subscribe. Remember to how should I say, to like and everything. Thank you so much. Bye until next time, and share my videos. I gotta go.